being recorded.
You got to read it out loud.
All right, Stacy.
Nice hat.
Oh, thank you.
You got to read it out loud.
Happy 40th birthday! Your big day is Tuesday, September 8th, 2009. You will need to do a few things for your big day. You need to take the day off from work. Not a problem.
Already off.
You need to make arrangements for the kids regarding school.
Hey!
Not a problem. You need to make sure we have a full tank of gas in the Denali. Oh God, this one scares me. You need to make sure you have clean panties, preferably a leopard print thong. That we didn't need to do. You need to dress for success. You and I are taking a little one-day trip. Lodi to Sacramento. Sacramento to Burbank. Who typed this?
Who do you think?
75 minutes to join the Mile High Club. Burbank Airport to Warner Brothers Studio. 10 minutes to the Ellen Show.
Woo!
That's what I've been telling Tracy. I just want
like
to go
your
see
hat.
Ellen.
Do the dance! Do the dance!
Do a dance,
Yeah.
Stacy.
Do the dance!
Oh, no.
Come on, do dance.
Come on, you have to
You
go.
are the Thank you.
Hey,
Thank
Mommy, who are you going with?
Not you. Not you. Look, she's winking at her.
I'm just so happy that everybody is here. You know, it's been a very big roller coaster this year, but I think we're finally making the turn. I think we're gonna make it. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for coming. I know this probably was not very hard or not very easy to do because I'm a super control freak. I'm a super control freak.
No, you're not.
Really?
Hey, what is
You're not going to the Ellen Show. You don't have to say it.
Thank you for everything, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Still not Kmart. I cannot return Tracy to his parents. His dad told me that as I was about ready to walk down the aisle that this was not Kmart. There's no blue light specials, and the deal is done. And that's almost been 15 years. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Happy birthday. That's just from your husband. Kids leave the dirty stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guess I'm going to have to go buy a leopard print